Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to reset your card PIN on DBS Bank account. In this following video, I'm going to show you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection. So first of all, open up your DBS application. So after you open up your DBS application, this is what the interface is going to look like. So then tap on the login option in the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on login, on the other page you can either log in using your user ID and PIN, or you can simply use a fingerprint or face ID in order to log in into your account. So once you're done logging into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. So after that, all you have to do is tap on more, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. On the other page, you'll have to tap on reset card PIN, which is under manage card and loan. On the other page, there are multiple options. Now from here, you'll have to select the card that you want to reset your PIN. Once you're done selecting a card, on the other page, you'll get to reset a new PIN. And after that, in order to confirm, you'll have to re-enter a new PIN. So once you're done, tap on change PIN, which is right at the bottom. Next page will be notified that you've reset your card PIN successfully. So that is how you can reset your card PIN on DBS Bank account on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.